Alright folks, just making do farms here with you, and I have here the Earthquake Healer Furrower that's going to go on the back of my Poland Pro 17-inch rear tine tiller. So this is going to help make rows. Let's see what we got here. I've seen a lot of videos with them attached to some of the rear tine tillers, but never seen one of the unboxing. Alright, so we got the diagram here. Earthquake Healer. We got nuts and bolts. Attachment. This looks like this good center furrower, making these rows and helping out healing potatoes. So we're going to see what we can get going on with that. It's got some wings here. These things are going to go on the side of this here somehow. Maybe on the back side. One side or the other. Doesn't say which one is left or right, but it's going to be, This looks like it's going to sit inside where the drag bar is on the tiller. That's going to be attached to that. They'll probably attach to the drag bar. We'll see. I might read them instructions here in a minute. I think I read on there before I ordered it, it had different attachments that would attach to several different type of tillers. We'll find out which one we need. So this is going to be the Earthquake Healer Furrow Kit. You can see maybe some of the photos down there. Rear tine tiller. So that's what you got in there. This little apparatus here. I think these are two different attachments. I may go to two different tillers. We're gonna put this baby together and get her down there on that tiller. After all that, I'll come back with part two. Let's see if you can see right here. Earthquake Healer Furrow Kit. It's gonna go on the back of a rear tine tiller. There's a small diagram, if you can see that, all the parts. Let's get her together and I'll get back with you, just making do.